Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you a couple of simple ways to log out of WhatsApp on other devices. First we need to go to Chats, and in Chats you need to click on the three dots in the top right corner, and here we see the linked devices link. Once we click on the link, we can see all the devices that were previously launched for your account. I see that I had a session running on my computer. Let me activate it now to show you how to disable it. Now this session is active, click on it, and we can see that we can end this computer session. Click log out, that's it, the computer session has automatically ended. I was kicked right out of my computer account. Okay, that was the first way. What's the second way? We go back to the chats, click on the three dots again and click on Settings. In Settings, select Account and choose Two-Step Verification. If you now enable PIN code login to WhatsApp, no one else will be able to log into WhatsApp without entering the PIN code. We click Turn On, come up with a 6-digit PIN code, but of course only the PIN code that you can memorize. Confirm that PIN code and click on Save. And most importantly, keep the correct email address. If you forget your PIN code, you can reset the PIN code by getting an email. But if you don't have an email, then you can click Skip and not use the email to recover. I click Skip. We are warned that it's not very safe to skip entering email, but I know what PIN code I entered, I won't forget it. I click Skip Email, and that's it, two-step verification enabled. Now, if someone tries to log into your account, they will have to enter your personal PIN code. Hope the video was useful to you. Give it a like, subscribe. Good luck to you and all the best.